Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Youth Entrepreneurship Zone by Stirk Harbour plus Partners plus Huayi Design. The Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Youth Entrepreneurship Zone project is an important initiative of Qianhai to implement the national strategic deployment and promote innovation and entrepreneurship of youth in the Greater Bay Area, and is tasked with the historical mission of building the first industry-focused Shenzhen-Hong Kong science and innovation cooperation carrier in Qianhai and a youth science and innovation platform with global influence in the Greater Bay Area. The project is invested and operated by Qianhai Services Group Co.Ltd. and focuses on artificial intelligence, big data, life and health, Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, cloud computing, science, technology, and culture, etc. It is an important initiative for Qianhai to implement the requirements of the outline of the development plan of Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Greater Bay Area on expanding the innovation and entrepreneurship space for young people in Hong Kong and Macau, and to help Shenzhen achieve the development goal of building an innovative and creative capital with global influence, as stated in the opinions of the State Council of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China on supporting Shenzhen to build an advanced demonstration zone of socialism with Chinese characteristics. The coastal park creates a transition space from land to sea, while the City Hall is an essential element of life in the modern metropolis. Cultural facilities are arranged in the area stretching along the City Hall to guide people from the land to the coast, opening the prelude to metropolis life. As an important connection node of the City Hall, the architects of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Youth Entrepreneurial Zone would like to shape a conception of traditional Chinese landscape painting with an open and diversified attitude, so that the mountains, land, and flowing water can be intertwined with each other naturally and harmoniously, to drive the vitality of the City Hall. The zone draws inspiration from the planning of Cheng'an City in Tang Dynasty, and proposes a new, open-ended, Lifeng system, neighborhood model, emphasizing a permeable axis relationship, while refining the layout of South China traditional gardens, with buildings grouped around a large garden, and spaces within the garden interspersed like small neighborhoods. The whole zone is like a modern interpretation of South China traditional gardens. The surface-air underground, multi-level pedestrian system is closely integrated with the green system, linking the whole zone. The pedestrian system of the zone is nested in the multi-level pedestrian system in Qianhai, becoming an important node of the city's green pedestrian system. And the whole zone is highly open and shared. The corridor can be strolled and overlook the high-quality landscape of the zone. The elevated leisure area is set on the third floor of each building, providing a multifaceted space for office workers to rest, communicate and share, and the air walkway can be reached by stepping outside, which is also work and life. The project is a 15-year leasehold site. In order to meet the requirements of green and friendly development, the project adopts an assembly-type construction method with the strategy of sustainable development of the whole building cycle. The main structure is designed as a steel structure, and the high-tech, architectural style echoes the theme of youth entrepreneurship and the operational characteristics of the zone. At the same time, the design elements are extracted from South China traditional architecture, such as cavalcade, corridor, and water garden, to regulate the microclimate of the park and realize green and eco-friendly energy-saving park.